to my channel. Today I am filming a weekend in my life and I just woke up थोड़ी देर पहले and as you can see my face is puffy. This is what happens when I wake up. मेरा face puffy रहता है and that is why I use ice to depuff it. I think इसको depuff बोलते हैं. Anyways, I am at home right now, so this is going to be a घर का vlog. I don't have anything to do because every time I am home, there's nothing that I am doing. I hope that you will like watching this one. बोलते जाओ. No. This is your reminder to drink water. Ordered sunscreen and moisturizer from Dr. Shades. ये मैंने बहुत पहले भी बहुत बार यूज किया है. This is my repurchase. I love this sunscreen. Kesar and Kojic acid oil free moisturizer. I have not used it. What is home if not a place where you can choose to be lazy? So every time I am home, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा lazy हो जाती हूँ. I tend to do nothing. And on this particular weekend, I wanted to keep things slow. I wanted to do just nothing. Let's try out this new moisturizer. थोड़ा सा gel-like consistency है. थोड़ा सा it's like gel. I'm reading this book currently, Part of Your World by Abby Jimenez. I think ये एक 3 book series का part है. I'm not quite sure about it. So far I'm liking this book a lot. I'm already 47% done with this. This is very rare कि मैं बहुत जल्दी जल्दी एक book पढ़ लेती हूँ because I don't get time and this book is very engaging and generally ये mystery thriller book के साथ मेरा होता है कि I want to read it as soon as possible, as fast as possible. But romance novels के साथ if the book is not good मुझे ज़्यादा time लगता है. But this book I think I am liking it, so मैं जल्दी जल्दी इसको पढ़ रही हूँ. It's not boring. I'll continue reading this and hopefully कल तक if I am able to finish reading this book, I'll also give a mini review. I saw a healthy cheesecake recipe and I want to make it today, so let's go to the kitchen and see how it turns out because I love cheesecake and if it's healthy it's a bonus point. मेरा भाई लेटा हुआ है यहाँ पे, so please ignore that and let's go to the kitchen. I am using this one. You can take any digestive biscuit of your choice. And now we need a mixer grinder, so take a few biscuits. I think I'm gonna take 4. So this is done and now I'll take a glass. I think we also need to add thoda sa milk because ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही powdery है. 2 spoons of milk. I just hope कि अच्छा बने. Does not look appetizing at all. Looks thoda sa better now, but it's time to keep it in the freezer, so I'll do that. And now we need paneer, mango and castor sugar. Castor sugar तो मेरे पास नहीं है, so I'll use normal sugar. वैसे castor sugar is just the powdered form of normal sugar. मेरे पास नहीं है, so I'll use normal sugar only. This is how it looks. I think I'll add थोड़ा सा cream to this as well. This looks very delicious. वैसे तो I don't know how it will taste, but looks very delicious. Actually tastes good as well. So this is how it looks. मैंने थोड़ा सा mango chunks ऊपर से add किया to garnish, and now it's time to keep it in the freezer again for some time. One thing about me is that I love पनीर, जैसे भी फॉर्म में दे दो. So chances are कि बाकी किसी को अगर पसंद नहीं भी आया, I will love it. I know I will like it. Nonetheless, it looks very tasty, very tempting, and it's time for me to taste this. इसमें थोड़ा सा पनीर है, ये पता चल रहा है, समझ आ रहा है कि पनीर है, बट इट्स नॉट बैड. आई थिंक ये चीज केक रेडी हो गया एंड लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी. दिस इज वन थिंग मैं शुरू से बोल रही हूँ कि दिस लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी, बट लेट्स डू अ टेस्ट टेस्ट नाउ. आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट this to taste this good. Actually cheesecake जैसा नहीं लग रहा है. Obviously this is not baked, but it's not that bad, and I think I'll make it again, and I really like this one. কেমন খেতে? Hi. It's not weekend anymore. Finished reading A Part of Your World by Abby Jimenez, and I want to talk about it. Let's just start by saying that I've rated this book a 5-star, and ये बहुत दिनों के बाद हुआ है that I am rating a book 5-star. Usually I am very picky when it comes to romance novels. मुझे maximum books अभी थोड़े से boring लग रहे हैं. So I think that when I am saying that this book was a 5-star read for me, I have actually liked this book a lot. This book is the first book of the series, and the series name is A Part of Your World. And I think that this book was so well written, so well paced. It was not boring at all. It was so enjoyable that I wanted to leave everything that I was doing and continue reading. The female male character has that goddess energy, the it girl energy. She is a doctor, but the main male character is a golden retriever, which is something that I really love. Now talking about the actual romance part of the book, it was very cute and healthy. It was not that spicy, but it was not that blah also. There are so many quotes that I love, and my favorite quote is grace costs nothing, and I think that I will never forget this quote. The two main characters are seemingly worlds apart. They don't fit into each other's world. If you're looking for a easy rom-com romance novel to read, I think that you can pick this one up because I personally loved reading this one. बहुत दिनों के बाद I think I found a book which was not boring and I was hooked from the beginning. So that was my mini review, and I'm sweating a lot. And with that, we have reached the end of this video. I hope that you liked watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.